Hi everyone, Kuya James here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a static Telegram notification using the n8n and all contact form complex coding did. So here is the workflow that I've created. My form. So the first one, you create the contact form, Bootstrap, and help of uh, this here the contact form added here and some script here. Ok- So next, on the webhook editor, so let's create the flow. So step one, need to add the webhook node. Add a webhook node. Need to set the method to post path. So for this path, I am gonna name form submit, and then we're gonna use the ones um this is coming from data. Next is we're gonna go with that. So how do you add this? Click the plus button. Click the plus button. One, gonna search that node or edit fields, and once you have the edit field, we add the fields, the mode mapping, but we're just gonna use, the value for the body and are the fields that I've set. Will be extract from the form fields here. And then step 3, the same, add a Telegram node. Make sure that you have installed the Telegram or desktop or your phone. And then we need um in info to Telegram. Then need to add the uh, connect the bot token from the Telegram, and we need to add our share ID. So how do I get this? First on the Telegram, we bot further, we need to add a bot. After that, I'm gonna name my bot Kuya James, and username bot James. So how do I get my ID? So just go to user in bot and just click the start button. Then you So after that, resources set to message of chat ID, my Telegram ID, then the text. Make sure your bot already talking. After that, I have add another response with talk node. So I just set these to all incoming items. By the way, so we need to set since I named this to set, so we can rename will be calling it set, just it's the same name. That's set. So I'm having that one now. I think. Okay, now it's time to test everything. Now hit the save and activate the workflow. For example, this one, I have execute the workflow and I'll get a message says test one. So what if this from the forums? Hi YouTube James, Kuya James test Telegram. Send message to Telegram. So here I've got a notification, new contact form submission, James. Um, Ayan, message. Hi YouTube, it's this n8n to Telegram. Success. And now that's it. Now build a powerful auto notification system with Init and Bootstrap Telegram. This is for perfect for small business owners, freelancers, developers who want instant alerts. If you found this helpful, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more n8n. Drop your comment or suggestions on this little projects. We can um save the user info Google Sheet. Yeah, we can save that info. Thanks for watching. See you next one.